Hey guys, so we're gonna be sharing our thoughts on this brand new B&M dive coaster coming to Six Flags Over Texas in 2022. So I'll share my overall thoughts here, but before I get started, uh, uh, if you want to subscribe to my channel, just go to my channel, Coaster Planet, and hit the subscribe button uh, for upcoming videos. Okay, so uh, this is actually a B&M coaster that Six Flags will be getting for the first time in a while. Uh, their last B&M that they got from a Six Flags park was X Flight in 2012. So that's about probably 9 years that they still haven't gotten a B&M. And it's been decades, and finally now at Six Flags Park is adding a B&M. This is not a wing coaster, this is a dive coaster. That's 8 across seating, looks like. So, yeah, I don't know if I can. Yeah, so it's 8 across seating. Uh, I'll still try to preview guys the photos here. Okay, so anyway, uh, there we go. Okay, so anyway, the coaster uh, is going where the Sundance Theater was. So according to the teaser, uh, this kind of fits in with the teaser. I mean the logo and everything. But they said they're they were planning to remove the Sundance Theater and adding this B&M dive machine in its place. And yeah, looks like a unique coaster. Looks like the color scheme is okay for me, in my opinion. I like the black, the red, and the yellowish orange. Yeah, I think that color is okay for me. Not my all-time favorite, but of course people are different. Alright, so the stats for the coaster, yeah, you will turn a bit left as you exit the station um, on the coaster that you're in, and then you're gonna go to a steep lift hill like the other usual dive coasters that you've ridden. So basically, it's about 150 feet, and the drop is, I believe, 153 or 43. Correct me if I'm wrong. Feet. So, and they say it's the 91-degree drop. So this is like the steepest uh, dive coaster in the world. So you will turn a bit to the right, and then you will hang on there before you drop about 3 seconds, and then you will go straight down 91 degrees into an Immelman, and then you will go to a zero G roll, and then you will turn around and then enter to this block braid, aka mid-course brake run. Then you will go straight down again, go to this overbank turn, go to a little airtime hill, which probably will give you a lot of floater or ejector in that moment. And then you will go to a helix going down, and then the ride is over. Looks pretty short, but it only has, unfortunately, two inversions. And it looks like the catwalks will be red. So, really, the colors are okay. Uh, Not too cool, it doesn't really pop much. Because black is really a unusual color. It's been used, so yeah. So this is the coaster. Yeah, this is the 91-degree drop. So, and hopefully they're gonna add the texture on the supports. Looks like a bamboo kind of thing, and that is probably something new that they do in roller coasters now is add textures to the supports to make it look more unique. They also did that to Tambuli. We're gonna actually share our thoughts on that one some other time. But according to the coaster, we haven't seen this layout, but it does look unique, and who can't wait to ride this next year? I absolutely wish to ride this, but this is not my home park. And also, if you zoom in closely, what is that? Is that the new paint scheme on Poltergeist? I recently heard that our Poltergeist has been repainted. Uh, Currently, or recently. It's right there in the background, so it looks like that's actually going to be repainted. So actually now that they're going to build this dive machine, Six Flags Fiesta Texas will now have three coasters from B&M. We have Superman Krypton coaster, Goliath, the B&M Invert, and then now this. So this is actually the first B&M dive coaster to go to a Six Flags park. We have not seen any other parks from Six Flags get a B&M dive coaster, but I think this is like a, kind of like a prototype, a demonstration to see if the other Six Flags parks can handle getting B&M dive coasters. So who knows? Six Flags Magic Mountain may get one, or probably Six Flags Over Georgia will be next. So yeah, I feel like Discovery Kingdom should really get something like this because the only B&M they have is Medusa. So if they're gonna get like another B&M coaster, then that probably will fit in their collection of their lineup perfectly. So I think that Discovery Kingdom should get something like this probably in 2023 or something like that, or 2024. But like I said before, it's only about 150 feet tall. So if this one's 150 feet tall, then Six Flags Discovery Kingdom should get something like this. Not exactly a clone, but a different design. Yeah, and it looks like the coaster will feature vest restraints like Valraven and Yukon Striker. So that's absolutely cool. So like I said before, comment on the box below if you can't wait to ride, and if you're dying to ride this next year. Absolutely looks like a very unique layout and a good coaster. So those are my overall thoughts on the coaster. So the trains are actually yellow, and so yeah, uh, it does really look appealing for the cars and the track itself. So yeah, um, that's about it. So let me know what you guys think of this coaster. Are you guys wanting to ride this? Do you like the color scheme? Do you get grossed out whenever you see it? So yeah. Other than that, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.